Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Fiat Uno 2014 to 2018 years. Okay, you can check this Belsee UI interface, and it will come with this special harness for Fiat Uno. Okay. Their built-in microphone and reset hole, this GPS slot, SD card slot. Okay. You can choose the time. You can choose logo. You can change the logo and the settings. Okay, you can check setting. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can change this CMA detail with red and blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. All apps are here. It's built in Google Map and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. This is Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The Z-Link app, please do not reset system, because Z-Link app will not come, will not save. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. This is device name and pin number. You can open your phone to pair the Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth from your phone. Click search button to search the Bluetooth. Click pair. You can check Belsee. Let me research. Okay, your phone will get pin code. Please put the 40. Okay, it's paired Bluetooth. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call.
致电中国联通，北京2022年冬奥会官方合作伙伴为您服务。
Okay, it works. You can stream music from your phone. Bluetooth volume from your phone. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. The header unit comes with 2 USB. It's USB driver. This video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car settings, and driving settings. Turn on the watch video. It's Samsung 4K Samsung demo video wrote the word. Okay. And this Z-Link app for Android and Apple CarPlay. Let me check the settings. What machine? You can check MCU, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, PX5 octa-core, Android 9 Pie system. Okay. And you can the storage. Total 64GB. Okay, that's all. Thank you.